Today we're going to talk about composting, one of the easiest things that you can do to make your garden even better than it already is. All we need is some brown leaves, some grass cuttings from your lawn, some of those kitchen scraps. You know that lettuce that you thought, oh, this has gone bad? We're going to use it. And some gardening soil. This is composting on a small scale. You can do it in your home, your porch, deck, patio, or apartment. We're gonna make it work, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a container, add your brown leaves. You can add your grass clippings, your brown leaves. You can take the twigs and toss them. We ain't got time for that. And then we're gonna take some of our kitchen scraps. See that? We have eggshells, we have old squash, we have lettuce, cucumber peelings. Pour them all in there, just like that. Get you some of your gardening soil. Pour it in there like that. And we just made a compost cake. And then you just want to take it, mix it all together, just like so. Okay? It's not pretty, but it's productive. Now what you want to do is make sure you have drainage holes in the bottom of your container. And then what you want to do is cover it as tightly as possible. Put it in the hottest location in your yard. That way the heat will help with the decomposition process. And then what you want to do is check on it every 30 days. You know, add a little water to it. Make sure it's still moist. Let it sit for about 60 to 70 days. And then you want to turn it. Turn it again. After a while, what you're going to get is something that looks like this. I call it black gold. I take it and I sprinkle around all of my vegetables, around the root base. And then I water it in with my water hose. I take my fingers sometimes and I poke holes around the edges just to make sure that it gets down in there. I guarantee you, you will be so pleased with what you're gonna get. This is what composting is all about, you guys. Making what you have better. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. And don't forget to label.